いたしました。
If you guys don't know, I started a business here in Japan, and actually I didn't start it in Japan, I started it a few months. Basically, the whole idea behind my website was that I'm a full-time traveler. I travel non-stop all over the world, and I would always talk about stuff, you know, and I love this from this country, I love that from that country. I'd always have people saying, can you send me the thing you're raving about, the hair oil you're raving about, the cream you're raving about from this country, from that country. So I thought I'd start a website where I could connect with you guys. I could talk about products that I love and then directly ship them to you guys while I'm literally in that country. So it's called Maryjane's Worldtour.com. Japan is my favorite country, and they just have the best stuff here. It doesn't matter what it is. Japan just makes the best of everything. They're just superior in everything. Let's put it that way. I live here now. Parked. It's also a way I boot my travels. You guys know I'm on a mission to visit every country in the world, and I plan to finish this year. So make sure you're subscribed, because about the first week of February, I'll be back out in the world, conquering this goal of visiting every country in the world. I'll be visiting my 127th country about the first week of February. But I parked my butt in Japan to work on my website. The two top sellers on my website right now are my snack box, where I ship you guys, I chock a box full of Japanese snacks, and when I tell you the best snacks are here, especially in Kyoto. So that's available on my website. It's like it's up there, #1 or #2 seller. And the rice water. So if you guys don't know, I keep saying rice water. The rice. I now sell yusoru on my website. This is Japanese yusoru. This is the exact rice women used in Japan, still use for beauty reasons. This rice started the rice water craze for beauty reasons. It's credited to the Yao women in China because I think they're just most well known for it. They went viral on YouTube. You've probably seen the Yao women washing their hair in rice, but they got it from Japan. It started in Japan in 790 BC. The women making sake all day long for years and years and years are doing this with rice and water, you know? So they were like, it must be the rice water. So they started using rice water on the scalp, and on their hair, and they were noticing, whoa! Rice water clears your skin, it brightens, it keeps you youthful, it prevents wrinkles, and it also makes your hair so ridiculously shiny and grow so fast. And I've been using it since the 30th of December, and this specific rice, and it's just been life-changing. It's absolutely life-changing. Just the overall feel of my hair when I brush my hair. Like, you know when you brush your hair, especially when you just got done washing your hair, you'll get like hair in the brush. Barely any hair comes out of my brush now. My hair fall has reduced like 80%. It's just the best stuff ever. But no one's talking about on the internet that it's Japanese sticky rice. It's Japanese sticky rice. That's the rice that is packed with, first of all, vitamin B, which is part of the reason it works so well, but it's packed with all that nutrients that your hair needs and that makes your hair grow so fast. So the Japanese people here are like, you guys do the rice water in America, but you're using American rice. You're using rice made in America. Like, the stuff sucks. They are so anal with the rice here, especially in Kyoto. I go straight to a rice dealer and I get this fresh from the farm. Like, from the farm to the place where I pick it up. They mill it fresh for me. It's even hot. The bag is hot when I pick it up. And it's available on my website. I just wanted to talk about what comes in the rice water box on my website. So you will get a 2-pound bag of the Japanese Yusoru rice, the original hair growth rice. It doesn't get more pure, better than that. That stuff will change your hair's life. So a 2-pound bag comes in the box. I also write a letter for you. So in here I have instructions on how to use the rice water. I tell you exactly what to do and how to use it on your hair and how often and what measurements and everything. I write it in this little letter to you, which comes included in the box. Here, we'll go in there so you guys won't have to be confused about how to use it. I even tell you based on your hair type. Low porosity, high porosity, greasy, oily, straight, curly. If you have Caucasian hair, if you have more ethnic hair, I tell you everything. I write instructions in there. Okay, so a 2-pound bag comes in there, and then I have a spray bottle included. I'll also put some hair ties in there for you. I have to go get some more. I shipped all the ones I had, so you'll also get some really beautiful scrunchies that are hair safe scrunchies. And then I put a box or a bag of the hair growth crackers, which are basically just rice crackers made from the same rice, but you're meant to eat these, and they're really healthy for your hair. And they've also got flax seeds and seaweed, all things that are so good for healthy hair from the inside. So that is, I actually have a short on my YouTube channel eating these if you want to see me eating them. So that's what comes in the box. The only thing I don't have in here right now is scrunchies, because I have to go get some more. I shipped all the ones I had, but you'll also get a few scrunchies. Really beautiful ones that are satin, so they won't break your hair. So yeah, in the box comes the instructions I write for you, the bottle, the spray bottle, perfect for spraying the rice water on your hair. A bag, 2-pound bag of the rice will last you 3 or 4 months of rice water making. And crackers, hair growth crackers. They're rice crackers, very popular in Japan. They're very tasty to me. They're like rice crackers. If you ever had a rice cracker, I don't really know how else to explain them. They've got flax seeds on them and seaweed. They're delicious to me, but they're made because they're packed with nutrients that will make your hair beautiful from the inside, which Japanese people are all about. So yeah, that's how the box comes, available on my website now. And I'm really excited about this, and I just think you guys are just gonna so freaking love this rice. Like, you see results so fast. You immediately know. It makes your hair grow so fast, but you immediately notice a difference with the look. How shiny your hair will look and feel. It's insane, you guys. So yeah, available on my website now. I'm packing right now, so we got a lot going on here. Website, and I'm so excited. I want you guys to go purchase it. This is a 2-pound bag. So this making rice water with this will last you about 4 months. If you have really long hair, about 4 months. About 3 months. If you have regular hair, regular length hair, I don't know, regular to short, I don't know what regular length hair is, but it'll last you around 3 to 4 months. This 2-pound bag, Japanese sticky rice. You can also eat it if you wanted to. It's delicious, but it's sticky rice, so it's completely different from regular rice. It's rice used in sushi here. Alright, you guys, we are sending another snack box. So far I've got the senbei for some Japanese Doritos, because Japanese Doritos are completely different from American Doritos. They're so good. So I got those two. Then I got her these really fun cheeseburger bites. I got her these really fun gyoza gummies. I got her some Japanese beauty soap. This is really popular in Japan. It's been around for over 100 years. It's beauty soap. You use it on your face, and it's supposed to give you a beautiful complexion and clear your skin. It's made from cow's milk, but Japanese cows. That's the caveat of that thing. Then I got her some of my favorite, these face puffs, unbleached. I use them with my skincare routine. I guess I kind of put that right there. Then I got her these Kobe beef chips. They're so good. I guess I'll put these on top like that. Then I got her some of my favorite treats. This is Chewy Milk, one of my favorite Japanese candies. Then I got her some vanilla bean chocolate, also extremely delicious. Then I got her these adorable Hello Kitty candies. And in there like that, I guess they always help me at the post office wrap it a little bit better. I got some more yummy treats, and then I'm gonna put in here some more of my favorite little strawberry candies. And I got her some really cool Q-tips. These are really high quality Q-tips. They're made in Osaka. Just thought they were cute. And then I'm gonna add a scrunchie, and I'm gonna add some poke, and that'll be Cynthia's box. We are gonna do Mercedes, Clarice, Andrea, Sarah. Alright. Right, we've got snack box, we've got hair oils, 4 orders right now, and then I'm gonna come back and set out another 4 orders.